13 things cats hate. Does your cat seem upset or anxious? Do its body signals seem negative, or is it practicing inappropriate bathroom habits? What's bothering your cat could very well be something that bothers you, too. From dirty bathrooms to spoiled food to too loud music, cats and humans share more pet peeves than you may think. And believe it or not, you could be making some mistakes as an owner, unknowingly causing these top things cats can't stand. Don't worry, we've got your back. Here's how to remedy them. But before going ahead, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos. 1. Cats hate feeling lonely. Contrary to popular belief, cats are not solitary animals. It's true that you can leave your cat alone for longer bouts than you could a dog, but kitties crave attention, companionship, and love just like any other furry friend, or human. If left alone for extended periods of time, it can develop feelings of sadness, lethargy, and even depression. If you have a busy schedule, be sure to set aside a few minutes each day to spend some quality time with your cat. Even 15 minutes of playtime every few hours will keep it happy and healthy. An even better solution. Consider adopting another cat, so it has a full-time companion. 2. Cats hate dirty litter boxes. Using a dirty toilet, in public or in a home, is pretty gross, right? Well, cats feel the same way about dirty litter boxes. It's important to clean out your cat's litter boxes every day, or at least every other day, depending on the number of cats you have and their bathroom habits. Don't want to scoop poop daily? Consider investing in a self-cleaning litter box. Keeping a clean litter box isn't just about scooping either. Depending on the type of litter you use, the frequency with which you scoop it, and the number of cats in your household, litter should be replaced about every 2 weeks. 3. Cats hate spoiled food. You probably don't want to dig into a big plate of spoiled food, and surprise, neither does your cat. Not only does stale or spoiled food taste bad, but it can make your cat sick, too. Bacteria such as Salmonella and Staphylococcus can grow in food that's been exposed for too long, especially in the warmer months. Whenever you're serving up your kitty's meals, be sure to check the expiration dates on both wet and dry food. If you find yourself saving lots of leftovers after your cat's meals, you may need to assess how much it actually needs to be eating. Your veterinarian can help you decide based on his breed, age, and activity levels. 4. Cats hate yucky medicine. When you're feeling lousy, the last thing you want to do is down some yucky tasting medicine. And the same holds true for your cat. When taking medication, many cats foam at the mouth, hold the pill in their esophagus, or just spit it back out. Whether your cat needs medication for a cold or infection or has a chronic condition that requires the ongoing administering of medication, is vital to make the experience a bit more palatable for Kitty. First, train your cat to be comfortable having its face and mouth handled. Associate the sensations with something positive by rewarding it with a small treat. Then, establish a medication schedule, so it knows what to expect and when. If you're still having issues with administering pills, there are lots of soft treats with pockets designed for holding pills. 5. Cats hate overly aggressive petting. If you have a cat, you know there are only certain areas it will allow you to pet, and if you pet the wrong part, it will hiss, scratch, or bite. Cats can be extremely sensitive to tactile stimuli, so it's important to be aware of where and how you're petting them. Want to keep your cat happy? Cats groom each other on the head and neck, and seriously dislike full-body pets down the length of their backs, so try to stick to the areas around its head and neck only. Pay close attention to its behavior and body signals to understand acceptable and unacceptable petting. 6. Cats hate competition from other cats. Whether battling over food, space, toys, or their humans' attention, cats can become jealous of one another. Unfortunately, this jealousy can manifest as aggression and, depending on the situation, misdirected aggression. For example, if a house cat feels threatened by an outdoor cat, but can't attack it, the house cat may redirect his aggression toward another cat inside the house. 7. Cats hate loud noises. From thunderstorms to arguments to fireworks, lots of loud noises and commotion can seriously stress your cat out. And chronic stress from loud noises can cause a number of behavioral and health issues, including skittishness, aggression, or depression, as well as hair loss, lack of appetite, and overgrooming. It can be tough, but try to limit your cat's exposure to loud noises. Keep it in a quiet, safe space when guests are over or during bad weather, and avoid playing very loud music or cranking up the volume on the TV. 8. Car rides. Just like humans, cats are creatures of habit. They like to have their territory and their routines, and absolutely hate it when any form of change occurs. Add in the confusing concept of a moving vehicle and you're likely to have one unhappy kitty. But cats dislike cars for good reason. They are prone to motion sickness, and may vomit from anxiety alone. 9. Baths. It's a tale as old as time. Cats absolutely hate getting wet. For one, cats don't have to be bathed like humans or dogs, as they do a pretty good job of grooming themselves. Some breeds, and especially big cats, are fond of the wet stuff, but the average house cat will do everything in its power to avoid water. 10. Getting brushed. Some cats might be okay with the brush, especially if their owner has trained them to tolerate it from a young age. However, you may find that your cat will struggle and attempt to flee if you come at them with the brush in hand. Cats are very fickle beings, and if they don't feel like being brushed, they will let you know. 11. Nail cutting. You might get lucky and have a cat that tolerates an at-home nail trim, especially if you've gotten it used to the trim from a young age. However, chances are your cat will resist your attempt to trim down its only real means of self-defense. 12. Other cats in their territory. Unless it's a relative or housemate, cats are typically not fond of other felines. This comes down to their animal instincts and territorial nature. Cats are naturally solitary creatures and see other cats as competition for food, toys, treats, and attention. Of those cats that do tolerate each other, you may notice that one is more alpha than the other. 13. Too much attention. While a dog can't get enough of its owner's attention, a cat only wants a certain amount. Most cats can't stand it if you follow them around, pick them up all the time, or force them to endure constant petting. A cat will let you know when it wants your attention, often by meowing incessantly or rubbing up on your leg adorably. Just don't force it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And stay with us for more updates.